what is pre-sales? I'm a strong believer of Wikipedia, and let's start this course on what Wikipedia says about pre-sales role. It says pre-sales is a process or a set of activities or sales normally carried out before a customer is acquired. Let's park it over here and try to understand this statement in detail. As the name suggests, pre-sales in layman English means it includes all the activities that are carried out before the actual sales is completed. Although before sales, there would be other activities such as marketing, lead generation, cold calling, prospecting too would be carried out. But as a pre-sales consultant, we are involved only if the lead is verified with proper requirements. So, as a pre-sales consultant, we are involved in activities such as proposal preparation, product demos, solution fitment analysis or mapping, discovery sessions with leads, and support activities for marketing and sales teams. Some jargons in this list might be new for few people, but a detailed explanation on all these activities are covered in the upcoming sessions. Let's move on to the next part of the statement on pre-sales as available in Wikipedia. It says, though sometimes pre-sales also extends into the period the product or service is delivered to the customer. This is an interesting statement since many would be thinking that pre-sales is limited to the activities before sales alone and they would not be involved during post-sales. But based on my own experience as a pre-sales consultant, we are also involved during post-sales like project handover to implementation practices, preparing change requests, and if there are any scope discrepancies. But the ratio of activities between pre and post sales for pre-sales consultants would be roughly around 90% for before sales and only 10% for after sales.